Hello everyone and happy new year to all. So welcome to the third part of our makeover for the Tressie growing hair doll. So I've been quite busy for the past few days in celebration of Christmas and New Year, and I just videoed this one for the third part of our makeover. So what I did is just to rinse off all the creams that I applied to her body and face. And as you can see, the difference between the second video and this video is that there is a change in the coloration of her body. So for the arms, it is much lighter compared to the trunk and also to the legs, and also the dark stains were removed, which is good. So I'm very happy with the results, and I'll be making the last part of our video, so you better watch out for our third video and the last one for our Tressie makeover doll. Thank